Welcome to our video where we explore 10 superpowered veggies that are not only good for your body but also for your taste buds. These vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that will keep you strong and healthy. So, grab a fork and let's dive in. Carrots. Carrots are crunchy, orange vegetables that are good for your eyesight. They can be eaten raw or cooked, and they are often used in soups, stews, and salads. Broccoli. Broccoli is a green vegetable with small, tight clusters of florets on top of a thick stem. It's packed with vitamins and minerals and can be eaten raw or cooked. Peas. Peas are small, round, and green vegetables that come in a pod. They are sweet and can be eaten raw or cooked. Peas are a good source of protein and fiber. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a red fruit that is often used as a vegetable. They are juicy and can be eaten raw or cooked. Tomatoes are high in vitamin C and lycopene. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in iron and other nutrients. It can be eaten raw or cooked, and it's often used in salads, soups, and stews. Potatoes. Potatoes are a starchy vegetable that can be cooked in many different ways. They are high in carbohydrates and can be a good source of energy. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a refreshing and crunchy vegetable that can be eaten raw or pickled. They are low in calories and high in water, making them a good snack. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a white vegetable with a mild, nutty flavor. It can be eaten raw or cooked, and it's often used in dishes like mashed potatoes or as a pizza crust. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in different colors, including green, red, and yellow. They are sweet and crunchy and can be eaten raw or cooked. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C. Onions. Onions come in different varieties and can be used in many different dishes. They are pungent and sweet and can be eaten raw or cooked. Onions are high in antioxidants and can help boost the immune system. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey of discovering the power of 10 vegetables. Remember, incorporating these veggies in your diet can bring a world of benefits to your health and well-being. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. Until next time, keep munching on those veggies.